Hi everyone, this is Rhonda. I'm so glad you're here visiting my channel. Today is a Poole design team project for me, and I had a lot of fun making this Christmas journal. I have never made a Christmas journal, so I'm very excited to show you this. She's about 4 by 6 inches, and she's less chunky than she started out. It just wasn't going to close very well. I found this old chalkboard kind of ornament that I had found years ago, and I put one of Poole's Christmas angels inside of it. So that angel ornament comes with the journal. I'm not sure if I'm going to sell it or not. I might keep it. But this is my design team project, and there's some lace trim on the side. And I'll list all of the Christmas digitals from Sam's Etsy shop below. And I used a lot of old book pages. So we'll start out. A little pocket here. I made some faux Christmas presents. I just used that paper for painting. Oh, that brown paper when you're painting to mask off. And here is a couple tags I made. These are a music digital from Sam, and then I took a template and on cardstock and I made tags, made my own tags that way. Let's see if I can get this to stick there. Okay. And then here's another pocket with a Santa tag, and you can write on the back. And I just love this label, Toys and Dolls. I just love this Victorian theme. And of course I was drawn to all the little angels on here in this kit. Oh, here's an empty pocket. I was looking for an empty pocket. And so we'll put these tags in there. There we go. And I left quite a bit of space for me to attach photos or maybe notes of what Christmas was like. And then this is another tag. Let's see if I can get this. But it's on thick cardboard. And it's you can write your Christmas list on there. Okay. Let me turn it. And this says sleigh rides. So Sam has a lot of really nice Victorian themed Christmas images. I love this one especially because of the little red coat and the little boy. Christmas greetings. May all your sweetest hopes come true and make your Christmas bright for you. And then I just inserted a little tag that I added one of Sam's labels, special delivery. I'm trying not to lift it up because it kind of distorts with my phone camera. And this is an authentic, original French receipt that I made a page. And then in here, attached here, is another place to write. Maybe you want to put your memories. Oh goodness. There we go. And some antique ledger paper, a cherub, and some old papers, book pages, and these very soft Christmas images from Sam's Digitals. Just so beautiful. Here we go. And then here's the center, another faux gift, and a tag, Merry Christmas. And then this flips out, and there's more tags in here, or a tag in here. And then there's a couple little booklets in here. You know I have to create the little booklets. And this one holds a lot of the digital kit's labels. And the Christmas stocking, place to write your Christmas list, how many sleigh rides you went on, and some more labels and tags in here. I really enjoyed making this. A lot of fun. And then in here is just a more simple one, place to write. Two little booklets in there in the middle. I left it kind of neutral. I wanted to add the colors of the kits. And then I hope you can see this. It's little snowflakes I added. I got them at Target one year. They come in a little bottle, little snowflakes. And this image was so pretty. And the little girls waiting for Santa to come, and an old notebook page like it was torn. Just lovely, lovely Christmas images. And in here is a tag that I made a pocket with old Saint Nick. And then in here is another little booklet to write in or clip things in. There we go. Another pocket. So what do we have left? I thought I had filled all those. I'm sorry. And this is also just a little open up little page and another tag. And then here is a side tuck with part of and glued on part of a doily. So we can add this tag in here, maybe. Yeah, she fits. And then we can add this little booklet in there, and some book pages and ledger, and there you have it. She's kind of chunky, and I did make extra things for her that just didn't fit. I couldn't close it up, wrap her up very well. She was just full. So that's her. I made this. Will, if I do sell, this one will go with it. It's a little ornament I made. These were like little paper mache ornaments I got in different sizes, and I used the other ones, and this one was tucked away, and I found it, and I thought that would look nice. I thought I was going to add her to the front, but this one looked better. So you can see the sparklies on her. And then, oh, that's just an extra of that. And then inside here, Sam provides in her digital Christmas kits the little envelopes you put together, and then there's just a couple extra tags. So this was really fun. I really enjoyed it, and I hope you got some inspiration today, and I thank you for watching, and I will be back soon. Bye-bye.